If you wanna be right, just read it, plan it. Don't forget to check your answers. Show them I think it's all in this right. It doesn't matter who's or right. Just read it, just plan it, just solve it, just check it. They're out to get you, try as hard as you can. Show them that you're smart and try it all you can. If you wanna get it right, better do what you can. So solve it, just solve it. People are doing but you're really not dumb. You're playing with your life, this is your future here. But that's entertaining and the television is your fault. So solve it. But you wanna